Hello guys, I will show in this video how to find Windows 11 product key in your PC or laptop. Right-click on Windows menu and click to run. Type CMD. Click to OK. Opened command prompt. Type or copy and paste this following command. This command is in the video description. Paste and enter. OK, you can see your product ID. If not, work this method in U-System. Following this second step, you can find your Windows product ID by this product is scanner. This scanner download link in the video description. Extract the file. Right-click and open. Click to OK. Scanning OK, you can see your Windows product key. Thank you for watching.